What's up YouTube, how you guys doing? It's your boy back with another video, right? So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to trade the bearish engulfing and bullish engulfing candlestick patterns, right? But before we get started, I just want to read out to you guys quickly what the bearish and bullish engulfing candlestick patterns is. Alright guys, so what is a bearish engulfing pattern? A bearish engulfing pattern is a technical chart pattern that signals lower prices to come. The pattern can be important because it shows sellers have overtaken the buyers and are pushing the price more aggressively down. Then the buyers were able to push it up, right? That's what the bearish engulfing pattern is. So what is the bullish engulfing pattern? A bullish engulfing pattern is a candlestick pattern that forms when a small black candlestick is followed the next day by a large white candlestick, the body of which completely overlaps or engulfs the body of the previous day's candle. It depends on what time frame you're using, right? So the message I just read was for the daily time frame, right? But it depends on what time frame you use. Okay, let me just show you guys how to trade this. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is you can trade this with trend lines or support and resistance, right? But I'm going to show you in this video how to trade with support and resistance and trend lines, right? So as you guys can see over here, right? Just get this out, my rectangle tool. I'm going to show you guys quick steps you can do just to identify your bullish or your bearish engulfing candles. Right, as you can see, we're at a support level, right? We're at a support level. You see the market was playing around here. So the only thing we had to do was looking for our bullish engulfing candle because we're the support, and when we're the resistance, right, we're looking for a bearish engulfing pattern, right? So guys, let me just show you this. Let me just zoom in. Do you guys see this over here, right? You can actually see a bearish engulfing candle came up over here, right? This was a small candle, then this candle over here. The white candle engulfed the black candle, so it means that the buyers were taking over from the sellers, right? You can see it was a sell, but then this candle came, so after this candle was supposed to buy, right? If you had bought over here, stop loss just below this point, and check it out. If you had taken that trade, it would have been in so much profit. So let me just show you guys how to trade the bearish engulfing candle. There was the bullish engulfing candle, right? So you can use this with a trend line, right? For example, let me just show you guys. Quick step, super easy. Let me just zoom in. Right, you could have taken a trend line like this. That was a trend line. Remember, a trend line takes 2 touches, right, to form a trend line. So check this out. Look at this. A bullish engulfing candle, right, happened over here, went up. Another bullish engulfing candle went up, right? So check this out. Another bullish engulfing candle, so it means it went up. But check this out. The market gave us a bearish engulfing candle over here, right? You can see this candle over here engulfed this white candle. The black candle engulfed the white candle, right? So it means it was a sell. So the only thing you had to wait for, this was first confirmation. Right now you had to wait for this break of trend line. So if the market had breaking through this level over here, right, you could have taken an interest over here because you had 2 confirmations, right? This was a bearish engulfing candle and this was a breakout, right? So you could have taken sells over there. So I just want to show you guys another example. Let me just look for one. All right, so check this out, guys. If you had drawn a channel, right, 2 trend lines forms a channel. Check this out. You can trade this with any strategy that you have, right? Check this out, guys. Let me just show you something real quick, something you can use. Check that out, guys. That's a nice channel, right? You can see the market was trending in an uptrend, but check this out. 1 touch, 2 touch, so our trend line was formed over there. Remember, it takes 2 touches to form a trend line, right? So after that, you have seen that. Like, check this out. Let me just zoom in for you guys. You can see clearly. Check this out. You can see this candle over here, right? Check out this big bearish engulfing candle. Check that. You can see there's a big sell, right? So that's the only thing you have to look for. Here's another bearish engulfing candle over here. But I wouldn't take this one because this week was too long, right? It has to engulf this whole white area over here, as you can see, not the wick. So this was a big bearish engulfing candle that you could have taken trades on. So you could have taken trades over here and put your stop loss just below here and your TP over here. You see how easy these guys to use the bearish and bullish engulfing candle, but my advice to you guys is don't use it without more confirmations, right? Because sometimes the market can show you a bearish engulfing or bullish engulfing, right? And then the market won't go in your way, so it's better to use support or resistance, right? And check out this out, guys. Here's another example. Bearish engulfing candle, small candle, price went straight down. So that's the only way how to use it, guys. You can use it in different ways. It doesn't matter what strategy you use. You can use it the way you like to. But that's just the example of a bearish and bullish engulfing. And a quick note for you guys is don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a $25 to $1,000 challenge, right? So go and hit the subscribe button. Also like this video if you found any value in this video. Thank you.